How to make only your contacts can see your about on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your contacts can see your about on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find this 3 points in top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find account and then click privacy, and as you see here you will find about. Just click on it, and here all you need to do is just click my contacts and then click done. It will be saved, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.